What if the future of construction no longer depended on diesel? What if the world's toughest machines could keep their power, their strength, and their reliability while moving toward a cleaner future? That is the idea JCB has been chasing with hydrogen. After years of development, JCB says its hydrogen combustion engine has reached major regulatory milestones in Europe. In January 2025, the company announced approval from 11 licensing authorities, and in May 2025, it confirmed full EU-type approval for sale and use across all 27 EU member states. This is not just another prototype. JCB says the project involved 150 engineers and more than $100 million in investment. The company also reported producing more than 130 evaluation engines as part of the development program. That matters because construction equipment is one of the hardest sectors to decarbonize. These machines need extreme durability, long operating hours, and real-world power. JCB's approach is different from a full battery-only route. Instead, it is using hydrogen in a combustion engine designed to work in familiar heavy-duty applications. The engines have been tested in machines such as backhoe loaders, load-all telehandlers, and generator sets. That gives the technology something many clean energy ideas struggle to achieve: practical use in the real world, not just success on paper. JCB describes hydrogen as a fuel that can support lower carbon machinery while preserving the performance needed on construction sites. The company's sustainability material presents hydrogen as an important step toward reducing emissions in heavy equipment. And the regulatory progress is the real turning point. First came national approvals in Europe. Then came the bigger milestone, full EU-type approval. That means JCB's hydrogen engine can now be sold and used across the European Union under the relevant emissions framework. For the construction industry, that is a major signal. It shows that the shift away from diesel does not have to mean giving up the kind of power heavy machinery depends on. It also shows that hydrogen combustion is no longer just an experimental concept. It is moving into commercial reality. This breakthrough could help reshape how the industry thinks about sustainability. Instead of choosing between performance and cleaner operation, manufacturers may now have another path: engines built for hard work, but designed for a lower emission future. That is why JCB's announcement is bigger than one company. It is a glimpse of where construction technology may be heading next. A future where the machines building roads, homes, and cities are powered by innovation, not just tradition. A future where hydrogen is not a distant idea, but a working solution. And a future where one of the oldest industries on Earth may finally be ready for one of its biggest transformations.